Howdy folks, back in the workshop again, working on the Suzuki. We did a little bit and now we're going to try and do a little bit more. I got the air filter housing and all that to bits last time, and I'm going to try and take the carbies off now. So this is what I'm up to. Undo these. Mike's going to need a longer screwdriver for that one. Go around to the side. Always could do with long screwdrivers. I'm looking at these boots, these inlet manifolds, and not really that way. And they're pretty perished. I think while they're coming to bits, I think it'd be a really good idea to get them off and change them. Let's save messing about in the long run. What do you think? Would you change them? Yeah, of course you would. Right, I need a longer screwdriver. Oops, drop that. If I'm looking for that later, you'll know where it is. I'll get it. Look at that. Come off a treat. It's a bit difficult trying to do this on your own. Susie's off doing a few jobs. Gonna damage these rubbers too much, because I honestly think they are creamy crackered. Right. Let's see if we can get that off. That's off there. Need to break that off. I did measure that, so I do know where that wants to be. Hopefully, I've got to do this with one hand. Now I'm going to be stood in front of the camera. There we are. Oh, that's going to be fun, getting that back in there. There we go. One set of carburetors. Hey! I don't know if you can see that, how bad they are. I don't think it's broken through, but there's a little bit out of there. Oh, I see. The middle. God, they're not even matched up. Really? God, blimey. Is that normal? You don't know whether you can see or not. Let me get a torch. Let me get a torch. Is that normal with the amount of aluminium you can see? The carburetor's not matched up. Not matched up at all. presuming that's normal. Don't look normal. Anyway, if it is normal, you can let us know. Or would you grind them out and match them up? Anyway, that's some kind person will be able to tell me in the comments below. But anyway, there we go. There's one down. That one looks even worse. Do they normally go underneath or should they go on the top? Yet again, I say, I've never taken one of these to bits before. I'm sure there'll be something on the internet that I can find. Wonky hands. Not sure about those at all. Yep, last one. I don't know how people do this with one hand. I ain't got a good hand anyway, so. Really trying to get it in the I think I'm not happy with them. Anyway, we'll get some material and ram in them holes. It just happens to be that most of the paper and what have you is in the other room, and oh no, there isn't. Some there not. Stop stray bits getting inside there. That's going to be awkward trying to get that back in. It's going to be awkward. That's broken off there. You see, inside there, a little bit's broken off there. So that's got to go back on there. So, yeah, don't really want to take the swinging arm out, but you never know. It might have to come out to weld that. It might have to go up the mats. Anyway, let's have a look at these throttle cables now, see if they're still stiff. Let's put that on there. I think we'll sort that.